I've seen people saying that I wish I was tall enough. I want to have a good height. What if I was slightly taller than what I am now? These are common thoughts that come to mind, especially in teenagers, because good height gives you confident personality and good stretcher. So how to increase our height? So let me walk you through some very interesting set of asanas which can help you get taller. These asanas will not only help you to increase your height, but will also correct your posture and body alignment. Number 1. So understand how to do. Keep 1 foot distance between both your feet. Both legs should be parallel to each other. Your hands on the side, stand straight. Gently, raise slowly the heels up parallel to that. Lift both the hands from front above the head. Keep a stretched posture. Stay there for 30 seconds, and then rolling your hands backwards, turning them, bring them down. Repeat this 3 times. This is a full body stretch. This will give a good stretch to your muscles and straighten up the spinal cord. It also corrects the binary deformities of your spine. It also stimulates the growth hormones which is responsible for your height. So this is an excellent asana for young adults in their puberty growth spots. Second bhuga, lie down on your stomach. Keep your palms in line with your chest. Keep the legs straight, and now lift the head, neck and chest up. Hold it for 15 seconds, and then gently come back to the starting position. While lifting your head up, you should breathe in completely, and while coming back, you breathe out completely. This backward bedding asana will reduce and tone the back and stomach muscles. This reduces the strain on the spine, giving a good stature to the body, making you look taller and lean. Third, Puan, sit on the mat with legs stretched out. Lift your hands up, bend forward and try to touch your toes. Hold the position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and now slowly come back. Repeat it 3 times. This pose gives a good stretch to your hamstring and spine. It releases the strain in between the vertebrae, thus improving the height. Fourth, sit in sukha and focus at the point in front of you. Now place your palms beside your body, palm facing upwards. Now, inhale and bring your both arms in namaste above your head and stretch yourself upwards. Hold it for 30 seconds and come back slowly to the starting position. Those who can't sit in meditative pose, they should do with half perma and pose. So stretch your legs, hold your right leg and bring it to the left thigh, and fold the other leg in this position. Do the Paris. And after doing 1 round of Paris, then change the legs, change the left leg and bring it to the right thigh. So this is how you are supposed to do both ways, and do acid where you are stretching your spine up. Repeat this for 3 times. This is one of the most effective ascent to gain good height. This particular asana stimulates pituitary glands, a gland responsible for the secretion of our growth hormone. Fifth sua, the Maskar. Sudha Maskar is a set of asana which stimulates and activates the muscles from head to toe. It elongates your spine, reduces excess fat, tones the muscles, and stimulates different hormones of our body. This should never be skipped from your routine. The sequence of postures which we are using in Surya Namaskar are Posture 1, Sra Non standing prayer post. Posture 2 has the Hana raised arm post posture. 3 has the Paha hand to leg posture. 4. Wan Chalan Asan equestrian posture. 5 Ox Asan downward dog pose. Posture. 6 Tank knee chest chin pose posture. 7 Wa upward dog posture. 8 Adho Musan Asan downward dog posture. 9 Ashar Sanch Asan equestrian posture. 10 has the PA as hand to leg posture. 11 Th palm tree post, and posture 12 Sitra, that is standing prayer post. Practice these asanas regularly, and you will find considerable change in your height. All the asanas which I have spoken have multiple benefits. It takes care of your growth spurs. It slows down the degeneration of bones. It releases muscle stress. It releases tension in spine. It brings strength to muscles. Anyway, those who desire for height growth, Keep this in mind, that you accept yourself and love yourself as you are. Height and weight are just external, which you can manage with right exercise and right lifestyle. Do not let your mind get affected because of your shorter height from weight loss to height gain. Yo, Asanas are for all. Keep practicing these asanas, bring a right attitude along with the asanas and grow. Well, NASA.